What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, guess what I'll be sharing with you how to do. I will be sharing with you, as the name suggests, how to export your server in Oracle VirtualBox to an OVA file. And this is very easy to do guys. So what you want to do is select File, select Export Appliance, select the virtual machine that you want to export, select Next, and then here you're going to select the location where you want to export the OVA file. So I'm going to just store it on my D drive on the virtual machines and then select Save. Once you select your location, select Next and then select Finish. This may take some time to complete. So I'm 3% in and the video is running about 4 minutes now. So I will pause this video and resume once it's completed. So the export has been completed. As you can see, the file is just about 19 gigabytes and it's actually smaller than that of the virtual machine when it was active. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.